Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Fresh Juice Portable Bottle Blender review. So you might be wondering, what is the Fresh Juice Portable Bottle like maybe hearing or seeing online? Now, Fresh Juice Bottle Blender here is a portable rechargeable blender designed for making smoothies, juices, protein shakes, and a lot more, and other blended drinks while traveling. Now, at work or at the gym. Now, the model shows on the official website here has a 500 million ml capacity here and a 65-watt motor and a 2400 mAh battery and USB-C charging. Now, the manufacturer says it can handle ingredients such as frozen fruit and ice. And according to the manufacturer, the blender uses stainless steel blades and a rechargeable motor to blend the ingredients directly inside the bottle. Now, the current product page here lists approximately like 15 blending cycles and 30 seconds per charge here. Now, how to exactly use it? Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to first charge the blender, then wash the blending container here before its first use. Add your liquid ingredients first, followed by the fruit and other solid ingredients with ice or frozen ingredients added last. And also do not fill past the indicated here or past the handle so that it does not overfill. And make sure the bottle is correctly aligned with the base, then press the power button twice to start a 30-second blending cycle. Now, the manufacturer recommends tilting the bottle slightly while blending and repeating the cycle if you want a smoother consistency. Now, as for the cleaning itself, you can actually visit their website here and their support page. And according to them, the manufacturer says you can add water and a small amount of dish soap, run the blender, and then rinse it. Now, the base should not be submerged in water, so keep that in mind. And the company also states that the hot liquids should not be used in the blender. Now, the official website highlights portable design, rechargeable battery, USB charging, stainless steel blades, and ability to blend frozen fruit and ice. Now, the product itself or the product page also includes a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're wondering about that, you can also see that in their website. Now, in simple terms, Fresh Juice here is just a small chargeable blender that lets you prepare a drink directly in its portable bottle instead of using a full-size countertop blender. Now, currently pricing for it may be different, so depending on where you are. So let's just check the pricing for it in USD. So you could go and change that at the top left here, as you can see right now, and you can go and choose the currency that you want to see. Now, as of this moment, it is priced around $63.99 as of this moment, and you can buy it here in their website. Now, if you're interested with this product here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is always recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.